Hi, everyone. I hope you and your family are well and doing everything you can to be healthy. My name is Claudia Fiks. I am the in house program director. Big part of my job here at the Eliot School is to develop the in house programs and the catalogs. I know you love to receive those at home, and I know you love to go online and browse for more than 125 programs that we have available for you and your family. And the best part of my job is to deal with our teachers, is to have that ongoing conversation with them and that constant dialogue about what classes we're going to implement, what classes are working and not working, and how can we improve the students' experiences. I'm always looking for new teachers. I'm always looking for new mediums to implement and to bring to our school. But the fact that we already have an incredible talented roster of more than 100 active artists and teachers and art educators. It's really unique. It's a privilege. I really miss visiting classes and seeing the students. I miss seeing their faces when they discover something or when they try something new or when I can see ideas smoking out of their minds. I love when I see people exchanging recipes, telephone numbers, emails. And I really miss this incredibly good vibes that we get to experience in each class. We all know how much we need those feelings and emotions back into our lives right now. I do not have a crystal ball, but I strongly believe that we'll go through this. This is going to end because it will. We have hundreds of parents and families counting on us, and we want to be there for them. And you are going to be invited back. You're going to be invited again to see our yard and our studios completely packed with people enjoying from our activities, from hosting our neighbors' activities, for bringing the community together, for bringing what we know what to do best, which is building a community that cares for each other. And this is what we do best.